Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Paddle for global mobile payments easy tutorial step. To begin, visit the Paddle website at paddle.com. Once the home page loads, locate the sign up button in the top right corner. Click the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address and create a strong password. After entering your credentials, click on the Create Account button. Next, check your email for a confirmation message from Paddle. Open the email and look for the confirmation link. Click the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Paddle website and log in. After logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. In the dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. Look for the Payment Methods tab within the settings. Click on the Payment Methods tab to proceed. Here, you can select the payment methods you want to enable. Choose from options such as credit card, PayPal, or local payment methods. Follow the prompts to complete the setup for each payment option. Next, navigate to the Product Setup section of the dashboard. Click on Add Product to begin the process of adding your mobile application. Fill in the necessary details about your app, such as name, description, and price. Upload any relevant images or promotional materials if prompted. Once you have filled in the product details, review everything for accuracy. Finally, click on the Save or Publish button to finalize your product listing. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Paddle for global mobile payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.